it's not random. The market doesn't move by accident. The logic is simple. If big players are buying, I'm with them. And it works perfectly. Every day you see people buying new cars, building homes, flying business class to the Maldives, shopping at Dior and Gucci. But what about you? Are you still waiting for the right moment, or do you think you're just unlucky? Maybe you believe the reason is that you weren't born into a wealthy family? Get these thoughts out of your head right now. 2025 is the year of opportunities. Yes, your opportunities. And you're about to see why. My name is Evelyn Morgan and I'm a professional trader with 8 years of experience. You may have seen me on CNN. I've been interviewed frequently over the past year breaking down financial markets. My community was even shown on Breaking News as one of the fastest growing and most successful trading communities. Today, my strategies are helping over 40,000 people. And not long ago, they were just starting their journey in trading alongside me. And right now, you have the chance to join them. Today, I'm sharing a strategy that works for everyone, even if you are just starting in trading. There won't be complex charts, confusing terms, or risky experiments. Everything is clear and transparent. Are you ready to start seeing results fast? Even if you've never tried trading before, I promise you're about to get a step-by-step plan personally designed by me for beginners. Buckle up because we are starting right now. But before we get started, listen carefully. Right now, I want to give you a tool that can help you on your path to financial independence. 3 years ago, I created my trading community on Telegram specifically to help beginners in trading. Today, it has over 40,000 members. Here's just a small part of the feedback from our members. In my Telegram community, you don't need to be an expert or understand complex charts. All you need to do is participate in the live trading sessions I host. It's so simple that you can start right now by clicking the link in the description below this video. Pause this video right now, follow the link, and join our community. It's a simple step, but one that could create a new path for yourself. The path to financial independence. This isn't just empty talk. It's a real opportunity to take control of your future. Members of our community are already funding their dreams, traveling, buying cars, supporting their families. So why isn't this you yet? Don't wait. While you're thinking about it, others are already turning things around. See you in Telegram. Take action. All right, let's jump onto the platform. I'll quickly pick the key participants. This pair. Yeah, perfect. I'll take this one too, and let's add another one. Now, to get the full picture, I'll use the RSI. It'll show me where the market is overbought or oversold. And of course, I'm setting everything up properly. Lines, colors, making it high contrast so everything's crystal clear. All set? Let's see what we've got here. Looking at the chart, I see a clear support level. Right here, it's already been tested multiple times and the candles keep bouncing off it. Is it important? Absolutely. This means buyers are holding the zone and preventing it from dropping lower. Checking the last few candles, long wicks at the bottom. That's a solid sign that sellers tried to break the level but got bought up at once. That means selling pressure is fading and the chances of an upward move are high. Going long. The logic is simple. If big players are buying, I'm with them. While this trade is running, here's a quick note. A lot of people think trading is just guessing. But when you understand what big savings are doing, everything gets way clearer. We trade based on logic, not emotions. Moving on, this setup is a bit different. Looking to the left on the chart, I see a candle that broke through the lower boundary and confidently pushed upward. That is already a signal of a trend reversal, but what's even more interesting is that the move isn't random. It's structured with clear corrections. That means it's not just random savings jumping in, but systematic buyers entering the market. I see a pullback, going in for a continuation upward. This gives me a better RR, risk to reward ratio, because I can set a tight stop loss, but with high potential. Oh, and I always double check for additional confirmations from other signals. Just because a candle moves up doesn't mean it's time to enter. It's crucial to understand movement structure. The situation is completely opposite. the RSI is an oscillator which shows overbought and oversold levels and is hitting the upper boundary. What does that mean? Buyers are losing strength. The market is overheated and a downward correction could start at any moment. Another confirmation. After every drop, there is only a single corrective candle upward. This suggests that bears are slowly stacking positions, waiting for the right moment to push the candle down. I'm waiting for a small upward correction and going short. Remember, if you see position accumulation, it's not random. The market doesn't move by accident. Something feels off here. Let's check another pair. Yeah, this one looks better. Seeing another classic setup, a support zone around 0.59400. What's interesting here? First, the candles have long wicks at the bottom, a strong sign of aggressive buying at this level. Second, RSI is near the lower boundary, signaling a potential reversal. What's critical here? When a level has been tested multiple times, big players are likely defending it again. I see sellers struggling to push lower, meaning they're losing strength. Opening a long trade? My thoughts? Well, they will lose strength and bounce upward. Are you impressed? This is just the beginning. Over the years of trading, I've realized one thing. Most people overcomplicate everything themselves. They get discouraged, give up, and underestimate their potential. But do you know what really holds them back? The lack of a mentor. A mentor is the key to solving all problems and keeping things rolling. The sooner you understand this, the sooner your financial situation will start improving, my friend. And in our Telegram community, I personally become your mentor. I provide you with the simplest tool, my live trading sessions. You can always count on my personal support as I'm available to our community members every day for any questions. This is more than just a community. It's access to things I can't share on YouTube. It's access to my personal system that will help you in trading. If you haven't joined our community yet, do it right now. Click the link under this video and subscribe while this offer is still available. Otherwise, we might lose track of each other on the internet and this opportunity could just disappear. I'm waiting for you. Let's keep going. Looking at the chart, familiar setup. A candle has impulsively reached a resistance level that previously saw strong selling pressure. Additional confirmations. RSI is at the upper boundary. The market is overheated. Volume is dropping. Buyers are losing strength. The level has already held the candle before. High chance of a bounce. Expecting the candle to drop down. Did you see that? If you recognize repeating patterns, use them. The market moves with logic, not magic. After a drop, the price starts moving up within a channel. This means the bulls, buyers, are taking control. What's important here? The trend has shifted to an uptrend, but the candle hasn't broken out of the channel yet. The best entry point is from the lower boundary of the channel, where limit buy orders accumulate. I go up here. The logic is simple. Buyers have already shown strength, and the movement continues. Smart tip: never chase a move. It's always better to wait for a solid entry point. The market always gives opportunities. Here the candle makes a sharp move up and hits strong resistance at the 0.597 level. This is a key zone that has already triggered strong pullbacks before. What's important to consider? RSI is back at the upper boundary, meaning the market is overbought. The attempt to break through the level fails, indicating no buyers are left. I opened a short position. It works perfectly. The price touches the level once more before dropping sharply. Let's check out this pair. The market had a lateral movement for a while, meaning it's been building up energy. I see that the breakout downward happened without any pullbacks. This is crucial. Volume is increasing, which means large players are backing the move. I enter a short position because when the market makes a decision, it moves fast. I recognize a familiar pattern here, a consolidation zone forming near a key level. This means the market is gathering strength for the next momentum. Why am I going up? The market is an uptrend. The candle is bouncing off the lower boundary and rebounding from the level 50 on the indicator. No signs of buyer weakness, meaning there is a high chance of continued growth. I go up, taking advantage of a predictable entry point provided by the market. Here I see that buyers, bulls, have fully taken control of the market and the trend is gaining strength. What's important? The price is making new highs, confirming the bull's strength. RSI is already in the overbought zone, but there are no reversal signals yet. Since the trend remains strong, I go with it. I go up, the trend is continuing, and as long as the market isn't showing signs of reversal, the upward move is likely to continue. Well, you saw it for yourself. The effectiveness of this strategy speaks for itself. But what if I told you this is just one of many? I never rely on luck. I have a clear set of strategies designed for any market condition, different time frames and risk levels. Each one is tested and I use them all personally. Now you understand, trading isn't about luck. It's about having a system. And here's the greatest part. Strategies don't have to be complicated. Everything that truly works is always clear and simple. My job isn't to experiment, but to stick to a proven algorithm that delivers results time and time again. And here's the key. You can follow my lead and use the same strategies. I host live trading sessions twice a day. But here's the thing. You either take action or you keep watching from the sidelines. Before this video disappears from your feed, just click the link in the description and join the community right now. Remember, success comes to those who make quick decisions. Results come to those who follow a mentor instead of wandering alone. The choice is yours. I will continue providing top opportunities for those in my community. Want to be one of them? That's up to you. The link is in the description. See you in my trading community. And don't forget, trading carries risks and there are no guarantees. Knowledge, training, and proven strategies are your perfect tools. See you soon.